Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can access and utilize the advanced search feature on Google Chrome. So let us dive into this. Launch Google Chrome, head over to Google. And what you want to do, guys, is click into this settings button in the bottom right corner. And from here, navigate to advanced search. Now here, guys, what you want to do is use these fields here, like find pages with, all these words, or that one here, they narrow your search results by, for example, to narrow down your search, to apply various filters, for example, to look for search results under specific words or keywords here on Google, or exact words or phrases, even like that. Or you can exclude words, for instance, under none of these words, and so on and so forth. Then you may narrow down your search results by the language, by the region, and even by metrics such as the last update of the given website, and so on and so forth. So for example, here under region, guys, click into the drop-down menu and select a region from that list. I don't know, like Egypt, for instance. And after that, use these fields here at the top. Here under all these words, for instance, type in the word you would like to filter out for the search results in Google search, but only in the region of that selected region here. And once you're content with your setup, simply click into advanced search, and that is going to apply that advanced search with all the selected metrics and filters here, guys, so that you may use it, for instance, to narrow down your search on Google search. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.